What's up, thick chicks? Let's get this 10-minute cardio workout in. Let's go. March and march. March. Give me 8 more marches. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Rock it out. Let's go. Rock and rock. Rock. Rock it out. Rock. I hope you're having a good day today. Rock. Back to marching. Let's go. Let's march. 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 Give me 8 more marches. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Tap it forward and push. Come on, you can do it. Tap forward and push. Keep going. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's march. March. March it out and march. Rock it out. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's march. March. March it out and march. Give me 8 more marches. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Tap it forward. Let's go. Tap. Get ready to add that push. Push. You got it. Come on. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's march. March. And march. March. Give me 8 more marches. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Modified push-up jacks. Let's go. Push it up. Push it up. Push it up. Push it up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's march. 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 March it out and march. March it out. March. Give me 8 more marches. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. March. Keep on marching. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Cross taps. Throw it down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's march. And march. Keep marching. March. Rock it out. Push it up. Let's go. Up. Push up. Push up. Up. Keep going. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's march. March. And march. March. Keep on marching. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Heels forward and push. Push. And push. Keep those heels in front of you and push. Push. Keep going. Push. 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 Switch it up. Right here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's march. March. And march. March. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Modified push-up jacks. Up. Up. Take it up. You got it. Take it up. 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 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Plant your feet. Let's roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Reverse your roll. Roll it back. Keep those elbows up and work, and work, and work. March it out. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Side taps, raise your arm. Take it up, up, up. Take it up, up, up. Keep going. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Same side. Give me 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Switch sides. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Alternate. Take it up. Take it up. Take it up. Now switch it up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Same side. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Switch. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's march. March. March it out and march. Give me 8 more marches. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Feet apart. Leg curls. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. March it out. Let's march. March. 8 more marches. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Leg curls. Curl it, curl it, curl it, curl it, curl it, curl it. Keep going. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's march. March and march. March. Little kicks. Let's go. Keep it low. Keep it in front. Come on. Kick, kick, kick. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Switch it up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. March it out and march. March. Take it wide and march it out. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Leg curls. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's march. March. March it out and march. Give me 8 more marches. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Curl it. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's march. 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 You got it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Walk it up and back. Take it up. Take it back. Take it up. Take it back. Up. Back. You got it. Up. Back. You got it. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. March it out. Let's march. And march. March. Keep marching. You got it. And march. march. Plant your feet, push it up. Ready? Let's go. Take it up. 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 Now take it forward. Make sure you have a slight bend in your knees. And push. Push. Up and forward. Up. Forward. Up. Forward. Up. Forward. Up. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's march. March. And march. March. Give me 8 more marches. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Modified jacks. Get it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's march. March. And march. March. Give me 8 more marches. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Plant your feet. Push it up and forward. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's march. March. And march. March. Give me 8 more marches. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Modified jacks. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's march. 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 March it out. March. And march. March. Count down. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Thank you so much for working out with me. I appreciate you, Thick Chicks.